The highly anticipated meeting between the Prime Minister and the Premiers about healthcare happens tomorrow in Ottawa. The point of these meetings is to reach some sort of consensus, but with the Premiers, that is never a given. In this case, there are hints a deal could involve billions of dollars in federal funding to the provinces. Mackenzie Gray has some details on how the talks might unfold. Mackenzie.
Well, Donna, we're expecting the federal government to make a substantial offers to the premiers tomorrow here in Ottawa, and this is what we know about the deal so far. A senior government source tells Global News the feds will offer the provinces a 10-year agreement, and that money is going to be split into two separate pots. The first one will be to increase the Canada Health Transfer. The other one will be to cut individual deals with each province. Now, there's no word on the exact figure Justin Trudeau is willing to offer, but it's likely short of what the provinces have been asking for, which is the federal government paying for 35% of health care.
Expect a deal.
Despite that, even some of the Prime Minister's biggest provincial critics are optimistic a compromise can be found.
We're sitting down tomorrow to see what is before us. I think everyone is going in with an open mind.
The Prime Minister echoing that positive sentiment.
This is going to be work that we're going to continue doing over the coming weeks, as we recognize that different provinces have different needs and different priorities, and that flexibility is an important part of our system.
Despite talking about flexibility, Trudeau is set to put a minimum of 2 conditions on the money tomorrow. The first one will be that the provinces need to share data amongst themselves and with the feds to try and improve outcomes. And the second one is the cash needs to be spent in the public system. So using federal dollars to expand deals with for-profit clinics, like we recently saw Ontario Premier Doug Ford do, is off the table. But despite the positivity around all the talks tomorrow, it's unlikely a final deal will come out of the 2-hour meeting. With sources telling me, Donna, the best case scenario would be an agreement between all sides on a funding framework going forward.
Okay, Mackenzie Gray in Ottawa, thanks.